If you are considering starting stock photography or stock video for the first time, and if you are wondering how much can you make from doing stock photography or stock video, if you are wondering how much Shutterstock contributors can make or Adobe Stock contributor earnings and what those look like, we are going to cover all of that information in just the next couple of minutes. It's not the next couple of minutes though.
No, it's not.
Okay, so we're gonna cover all that information in this video.
Yes, that's the one. I'm Kyle and this is JD. Together we are Kyle and JD.
JD and Kyle.
Whatever. We are wedding photographers by day. We recently started doing stock photo and stock video as kind of a side hustle. We're currently putting out content every week. If you are interested in these topics, learning a little bit more about stock photo, stock video, photography in general, we do get some tips and tricks on that. Please subscribe, hit the bell icon if you'd like to get some notifications, and we can be with you every single week. Subscribe.
So this is currently month 4 of us doing stock photography and stock video.
Yes.
Over the course of this video, we are going to cover with you how much money we have gotten on each platform that we are currently submitting our photos and videos to, as well as kind of how many assets we have on each platform.
And then we're gonna dive into some charts. Jamie is our awesome chart lady. She's been creating all these wonderful visual representations of how much money we're making platform to platform. If you like seeing it that way, we have those as well.
Then we are going to cover how much in general we've actually produced from stock photography since we've started over the last 4 months, and we'll also talk about how much money we've lost over the last 4 months as well.
And then the most exciting topic. Which platform has made us the most money so far?
Over the last 4 months.
Over the last 4 months,
As of
yes.
right now. Yeah.
Yes.
So starting off with Alamy. So if you guys watched last month's how much we made after our 3-month mark, you will know that we actually decided to quit Alamy. We are no longer posting new content to Alamy, primarily because we have not made any sales. So we gave Alamy about 3 months. We were uploading regularly. We got about 513 photos into that portfolio, and we have yet to see a single sale. So we are still gonna be checking in every couple of months, every couple of weeks or so, just to kind of see how many sales happen, but we are no longer contributing to the Alamy platform.
Fair enough. Next in line is 123RF, and they're kind of in the same bucket, almost as Alamy.
It's hit or miss. We have had some sales through them, just not a lot.
Right, okay,
Yeah.
so last month we made 22 cents with 123RF. We have total 721 images uploaded with them. We made last month 1 sale, which gives 22 cents. We don't have any videos uploaded with them, and we didn't currently upload any new photos last month.
Yeah, pretty stagnant last month.
Right, but again, they're kind of slow, so we're kind of just watching them, and we're gonna see how they play out. We might upload more of them in the future, but for right now, they're not priority number 1.
Next up is Big Stock.
Big Stock.
In Big Stock, we made $1 in our 4th month of doing stock. We had 613 images in our portfolio at the end of our 4th month with Big Stock. We made 4 sales, and those 4 sales totaled that $1. Again, no video sales, no video assets on that particular platform. $1 sale from Big Stock.
Pretty cool, I'll take it. After that, we have Dreamstime. Dreamstime, this month we made, month number 4, we made $4.45. We've got currently 578 photos up on Dreamstime. We made 4 sales last month to equal that $4.45. And we uploaded 82 new photos to Dreamstime last month. Still no videos on Dreamstime, just sticking with the photos for them.
Yep. And again, if you guys have been following along with us up until this point, you'll see, or you'll note that we're slowing down in our uploads. We're burning out a little bit. We're getting tired. We have not been uploading as much as we were when we first started. We were like, yeah, we're gonna do thousands this month, and then yeah.
Well, to me, that's part of the experiment though too, because one of the questions I had starting out was like,
how much work does it take?
well, how much work does it take? And once you start uploading, is it one of those things you can just set it and forget it and you'll just keep making money? A lot of people we'd seen online, they say, okay, well, when you stop contributing, you will see your sales drop off of it. But we were wondering, well, how much are they gonna drop off? Can we slack off? Like a lot, or is,
back to Dreamstime.
Dreamstime.
We actually, previous months, hadn't made very many sales, if at all. I think we only had like one sale in Dreamstime.
Yeah,
and Dreamstime was actually the next platform that was going to be on the chopping block that we were considering not posting to anymore. But we did randomly get like, wait, 4 sales?
$4.45 from 4 sales. That's like 4 cheeseburgers.
Yeah.
So I'm glad we didn't cut them, right?
Next up, we have Adobe Stock. So Adobe Stock this month, we made $5.28.
Right.
We had, at the end of the month, 672 images on the platform. We made a total of 7 image sales, again, totaling that $5.28. We ended up adding a total of 29 images this last month to the platform. As far as our video assets on Adobe, we didn't pull in any video sales from Adobe this last month, but we do at this time have 379 video assets. By the end of our 4th month, we added 97 videos in the course of this last month. So in total, we have 1,051 assets as of right now on Adobe Stock.
That's pretty sweet.
Again, 7 sales in total, $5.28.
Not bad, Adobe Stock. Up next is Shutterstock. Shutterstock for this month, we made $6.30 total. Right now we've got 524 images uploaded on Shutterstock. 21 images sold, a whopping 21 images sold.
That's a
on
lot of
Shutterstock,
sales.
right?
I mean, numbers wise.
It is, numbers wise. 21 images on Shutterstock, but they all tend to sell for like 25 cents each. I think we've seen a few that are like more than a quarter.
Yeah, but not often.
Not often.
Anymore anyway.
So we had 21 photo sales totaling $6.30 for last month. We added 32 new images to Shutterstock this last month. So by the end of the month, we had 171 videos on the platform. No video sales to speak of yet. We added 14 new videos to Shutterstock for a total of 695 assets on Shutterstock.
That's really low. Is that right?
I believe so.
Yeah. Wow. Compared to like Adobe, that's really low.
Right, just again, we've noticed this before, Shutterstock does not take nearly as much media, doesn't take nearly as much content as the rest of the sites are. Yeah.
They're strict in their policies.
So that's cool. We made total for last month, $6.30 on Shutterstock.
Yep. Okay, and finally, our last platform that we actually brought in the most money last month was Pond 5.
Wow.
So amazing. We actually did a whole video like recapping our first video sale ever, but we had been posting to, I'm digressing right now, we have been posting to Pond 5 for 4 months before we actually saw a sale. So this month for us, having that first video sale come in was so exciting, because we were also considering if we shouldn't be uploading and if that should be on the chopping block as well. This month, Pond 5 brought in a total of $20. We have 760 images on the platform at the end of our 4th month. We actually didn't really add any new images this month to our Pond 5 portfolio. That's how tired we were feeling. We have a total of 572 video assets at the end of our 4th month. And we had, again, that $20 sale came from one single 4K video sale.
Yep.
Kyle did end up uploading a total of 183 new video assets to our Pond 5 portfolio. So by the end of the 4th month, we have a total of 1,332 assets on the platform.
Yes.
And we just made our very first sale after 4 months. At the end of our 4th month of doing stock photography and video across these 7 different platforms, we have anywhere from 524 to 760 image assets across the board. This month, we made a total of 37 image sales, totaling in $17.25. This month in total, we only really uploaded anywhere from like no new images to 82 images. So definitely kind of took a break on that a little bit.
So for videos, we've got 171 to 572 videos uploaded currently on our platforms. We made 1 video sale totaling $20. Very cool. And we uploaded from 14 to 183, or we got that many approved on the 3 sites that we're uploading to. Total assets ranging from 578 to 1,332 total assets spread across.
Total number of sales this entire month was 38. We have the 37 image sales and that 1 video sale, totaling in 38 sales total, totaling in $37.25. $1.75 this month.
Whoa. That's
Okay.
like $1 a sale almost.
Yeah, in total, from 4 months of doing stock photography and stock video, this is how much we made on a monthly basis. Our first month brought in $1.82 in sales. Our second month brought in $23.73. Our third month brought in $80.75. And our last month, just this last month, brought in $37.27 for a grand total of $143.57.
So that all sounds great, but we are still in the hole largely because we did buy some equipment. We bought our Osmo Pocket camera when we very first started, with the idea being that it would pay itself off over time. So we're still waiting for that to pay itself
How
off.
much have we spent?
We spent total $547.90 on stock. So yeah, we're still in the hole by a bit. So the last tidbit we have for you today, and the most exciting tidbit.
If you came up to us on the street and you were like, hey, JD, Kyle, if you guys are starting for the first time on a brand new platform, which platform do you recommend? Which platform is the best platform that's gonna make me the most money from stock photography or stock video? If you ask us that question today at the end of our 4 months, we would tell you that we have made the most money so far off Adobe Stock.
Definitely.
This chart basically kind of shows you how much money we have made year to date in the last 4 months across all the different platforms that we're currently uploading to.
Question.
If you guys have any other quick questions for us, let us know in the comments below. We try to be really transparent in how much we're earning, how much we're spending. If there's anything that we didn't cover, please ask us questions below. We are happy to answer them. If this information was valuable to you, please hit that like button below. And other than that, we'll see you guys later.
Bye. Okay, so what am I saying again?
Alexa, stop. Cool.
Boop.
La 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 la.
Wow, we're